Hi, I just wanted to make a quick announcement to show you exactly where the video is for week 1 discussion. I know that a few people got a little bit confused, not a problem, so I just want to make sure that everybody knows where this is. Click on modules, and when you click on modules, you want to go down to my StatLab Tools for Success. Click on there. And then on the top of your page, I hope it comes up here. There it is. You'll see how do I enter answers. When you click on that, you'll see that there's a handful of links here that you can scroll through that are very helpful and useful for your class. Yeah, so just quickly again, modules, click on modules, and then my StatLab Tools for Success. And then once that comes up, you have that link right up there. How do I enter answers? There's also some wonderful links here that can kind of help give you some extra tutorials. So those are helpful. And I also posted in, I'll go back to modules. I also posted that another great way of getting into your My StatLab class is by using my StatLab Dashboard. So if for some reason you kind of get stuck, sometimes, depending what browser you're using, all of a sudden my StatLab is not opening. That's pretty frustrating. So one way that you could try getting in is using my StatLab Dashboard. Okay, I hope that answers everybody's questions for the intro discussion. Welcome to week 1.